Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the CNIKESIN 67 pieces tire repair kit for car, motorcycle, ATV, Jeep trucks, tractor flat tire puncture repair kit. Yeah. Tubeless Tyre Repair Kit. This professional heavy-duty kit easily repairs all types of tubeless tires on bikes, ATVs, UTVs, tractors, lawn owners, trucks, jeeps, SUVs, cars, haulers, trailers, and so many more. And you have to know it is not to use on tubes, tires, or sidewall blowouts. Durable and strong, the Tubeless Tyre Repair Kit is engineered to the strong, so that it will be the last kit you ever have to buy. I think so. Everything you need is in this box, a dependable tire gauge, and the pliers will be needed for every repair. A 120 psi chrome tire gauge and steel sur-grip pliers are included in that kit, along with 65 other throughout flat tire repair tools and pieces, plus a durable mobile storage case to keep it conveniently all together. And it's so quick and easy because they know everyone is not a professional. They have designed instructions which makes tire repair as easy as 1, 2, 3 counting. Whenever you are at home, in the garage, or in an emergency roadside situation, the step-by-step guide instruction will have you back on the road in minutes. This tire kit, it includes one T-handle insertion tool, one T-handle spirit probe tool, self-vulcanization repair plugs, and a standard valve core 4 times, chrome hex valve caps 4, black plastic valve caps 4, black plastic extension valves, double heat tire pressure gauge, and 4-way valve stamp tool, L-type hex tools, plastic storage box, a sewer grip peeler, a lubricant, and a store case. This is all what you need to have a professional repair of your broken tires. And this will need only minutes. It is a high quality metal tools inside. I know there are so many sets on the market which contains so much plastic. And that means if you're using it, you have a problem because of the plastic. The plastic will break soon. In this case, it's metal. So if you like to buy a repair kit for cars, you have to look for good, high-quality metal tools. And if you have these tools, you can use these tools so many times. The only thing you have to rebuy after 2, 5, 10, 20 times, after 20 fixed tires, you have to rebuy the self-vulcanization repair plugs. That is all what you have to rebuy. And I think the lubricant you can replace with some other lubricant thing, like fat. I think so. Butter is a good lubricant too. Really nice to easy use. First step you have to do is only to remove for example, remove the screw out of your rim, out of your tire. Then you have to use the first tool. It's a T-handle insertion tool. You have to do this inside, drill it inside And then you have the way and the clean way to use the T-handle inside tool plus the vulcanization repair plugs. After you used all the lubricant inside the hole and over all other device things you have to use, like the T-handle insertion tool, plus the nice vulcanization thing, then you push it inside the tire. But take care, there have to be 2 centimeters of the rubber out. It is important. Then rotate the tool 180 degrees and then pull it out. After this, your tire is fixed. It is fixed. No leaking will continue. And then the only way you have to do is cut the outstanding things from the self-vulcanization repair plugs in one surface to your tire off. That it is. After this, you can inflate the tire with the right pressure and then go back to the road. And this will only needs to be, I think, 5 until 10 minutes. And you can do this where you want. Easy, easy, easy. And it's a cheaper way because you do not have to replace the whole tire for this. You only have to buy one of this set, for example, and then you can fix 20 tires. Easy going. I have a fixing tutorial in a live video for you. You can watch this on my channel. So that was the unboxing video and the instruction video. But I think you have to look this additional video what I made for you too. So that it is also set and it is awesome. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.